finished it. We have been on the go for days and we are now actually packed up, ready to go and about to drive off. So we have actually made it, haven't we, to this point. It seems like it's been a bit of a challenge, but the van is packed up. This morning the temperature was really low. It was, we looked on the thermometer, -3. So where we were thinking we were going to do a casual amble down through France and Spain to Portugal, if it remains this cold we'll be going a little bit quicker than we've planned. So yep, so we'll catch up with you soon. Bye.
Bye. Now then.
So here we go.
Well, this is our first night in the van. And we're in Thetford, or part of Thetford Forest, not far from the golf club. Hello.
Hello. Good morning. It's a frosty old morning, so we're going to go for a walk in Thetford Forest. So we've been told by some very friendly dog walkers this morning that it's really nice out here. So it looks like a Christmas sort of wonderland because it's all gone white with all the frost. So we thought it was raining, but no, it's the frost. So we're surrounded by like little spruces, so it looks like we're in literally in a load of Christmas trees. Look at the ice. I just can't remove the ice.
Can't see what it is, but well, still frosty.
And chilly. You can see the steam coming out. See, it's so cold. We left the heating on when we went in. You can see the frost out above the window screen. And then the heat coming outside. Lovely and cozy view in the van. So I'm in the nice warm and Paul Rowley's outside tasked with the man job, the blue job of taking off the cover for the screen. It is freezing and literally the ice is coming off it. So yeah, welcome to camper vanning. Okay, so we're feeding downstairs the festive music off, but actually we're leaving.
You're not allowed to play Cliff Richard.
No, there's no festive cheer. Oh, hang on, we can't leave yet. We're just about to leave our first overnight stop.
We've had 4 attempts to get the camera to work.
It has taken us about 20 minutes, I'd say. This is proper, we're proper wild camping, so this is tucked away at Thetford Forest really, but it looks just absolutely glorious, so we just had to take our exit really as we were going. So yeah, on to our first bit of holiday really. I'm just going to turn the camera and see if we can see our driving and then switch off. So this is our park up for the evening. I was trying to avoid being in the shot, but how cool is that? Literally, we are on the edge. So this is Bordsey. So this is one of our favourite stops in Suffolk.
It's a hard life. Living in a van. No room to cook anything.
He's starving on it. So this is brunch in our little stop at Bordsey, and just look at the view. Al's just about to get his drone out so you'll be able to see a bit better picture. While I'm doing a bit of cooking, the drone's coming out.
Well, we're, as you can see, we're on the ferry. We're leaving Dover behind. First time we've taken the van across to Europe, and it's a fantastic morning. There's very little wind. We've got away on time, and yeah, it's been lovely and dry, no frost down here. It was really sort of horrible weather as we came down yesterday, but yeah, it's all looking good this morning. We can just about see the white cliffs of Dover in the distance. I can see them. I don't know whether the camera will pick it up. okay.